Okay, so it's 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The market is about to close in an hour. So let's go ahead and take a look at the price action for today for crude oil. We can see right here that we have been bullish on crude oil, but you can see that we have some resistance coming up ahead. So this is why inside of our trading club, we've already got members who are in a sell position and already in profit against today's upper trend. That's the 8-hour view. That's the 4-hour view. And this is the current 1-hour view right here. Now, very important that you pay attention to this symbol. This is how I guide them right in here. We want to make sure that when we are trading against a current intraday, in this case, bullish movement, if we're going to use our Fibonacci levels, if we're going to use our support and resistance, we want to trade smaller to initiate the trade. And then once we get confirmation with price action, that price continues to go down, that's what we can add to our entries. Okay, so again, you always want to start small because that gives you the ability to dollar cost average. For example, if you're in futures or even if you're trading CFDs, you want to start small when you're going against the trend. But if you're sticking to our trading plan like we do, then we are confident here at this particular level. So I'm going to kind of supersize this for you. For those of you that are not yet in the trading club, this is kind of what you're missing out. We are taking scalps along the way. So we've already gotten in for at least 28 pips or 28 points on crude oil. Again, the green section here does not necessarily mean that we're going to go all the way down to the green. We instruct our members to secure profits every 20 points on crude oil when we are going against the trend, or protect it by putting your stop in profit. And that is so, so important with everything that you do. By the way, before we finish this analysis, hey, if you're getting some value here, drop that like button for me. I greatly appreciate it. So what we will be looking out for today on crude oil is where price is officially going to close. If I kind of remove this here real quick, okay, you can see that over the last several hours, we have just been consolidating on crude oil. So we are still fairly confident, okay, that based on past experiences, right, we may get a little push up, barring any crazy news that comes out. We feel that we can definitely snag some more points to the downside here with crude oil. Okay, so that's a quick recap on this Monday, just about market close in about an hour. But I wanted to get this out for the YouTube members, for my members, and just for those of you who are watching on YouTube. I always thank you for your support. May God bless you and your families in 2026. And we have begun to do some amazing things, both here and inside of our trading club. Thanks for watching.